Really sorry guys, but there'll be no more videos of me setting figures on fire. No more videos of me melting sprues to make things. No more making moulds and recasting parts. No more videos of me unboxing. No more videos of me making Warhammer figures come to life. No more videos of me making and casting bases. No more videos of me squeezing orcs into vehicles. No more videos of making terrain from rubbish. And no more videos of me playing around with water guns. So this is the final goodbye. Well, for a week or so anyway. I'm moving house, so boxing everything up, I won't be able to make any videos until I settle in and bought loads of new furniture. In the meantime, it'd be great if you can keep watching my videos and share them with family and friends. I also wanted to say thanks again guys for getting me to 10,000 subs so quickly. It's all down to you guys watching my videos, leaving comments, hitting the like button and obviously subscribing. So cheers for that. Take care guys, and I look forward to seeing you all again in a few weeks time. Bye for now.